this video, I'm going to go over how to do a little bit of simple math with Java. So there are four main simple math things everyone uses: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And those are the four I'm going to go over in this video. So we're going to start our main method, so public static void main. That's just a shortcut for it. You type in psvm and tab. I'll do a video on shortcuts in the near future. Alright, let's say I want to add the numbers 5 and 6. I will type in system.println. I'm going to backspace those quotation marks it gives me. I'm just going to type in 5 plus 6. And this should just print out 11. So I run that. Computer must be doing other things right now, which is why it took 2 seconds. It shouldn't normally take that long. And it printed out 11, which is what we'd expect. That in itself is kind of useless, but let's say we have a bigger thing to compute, like 1089 plus 3782. Well, we'll get the answer. That's 4871. Besides adding, we can also subtract. So let's subtract 90 from that. Should be 999 if I did this right. Yeah, 999. We can multiply using the star. Let's multiply it by 2. And we hit Shift F6 to run, 2178. We can also, let's divide by 3. Oh, whoops, I had multiply and divide there in a row. Alright, I can divide by 3, which is 363. If I divide by 2, curious, notice this answer is slightly off. I'll go more in depth with that later on, but basically I'll multiply 544 times 2. You would think these would give the same answer. That has to do with a floating point number. I'll go into that later on, but just know that whenever you divide this stuff, it does not do anything with the remainder. We had a remainder 1, but the computer just completely forgot about it, only printed out that line. And some simple math, I'll be doing a little bit more in depth with how to use some variables to do math in the next video. Alright, I hope this helped you get a better understanding. Play around with it yourself, and hopefully you'll get a really good understanding of how to do some simple math, which that's very important for programming with Java. It's a very basic building block.